Hi, welcome to Noms Academy. This time we'll be dealing with problems solving permutation, problems on permutation, and let's take some questions. Problems on permutation. So let's take question number one. Question number one says a committee of three members. A committee of three members is to be formed from a group of five committee full stop. How many different ways can it be formed? So the question is asking, once you see that the question is asking how many ways, then it's about permutation. So there is a committee that exists. In that committee, there are only five people. From the same committee, only three members of a new committee should be formed. Then what do? This is permutation, so we get into solution. So we remember the formula of cases of permutation. So that means that out of the five, we need three. That is n permutation r. So n permutation r. So in how many ways we will now arrange taking three persons? Let's say that the people we're talking about is Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D, and Mr. E. Now, for me to select three persons, I could say A, B, C, or I could say B, C, D, or I could say E, B, A. Anyhow I want it. But how many ways can I just form just three persons out of this five persons? Then that will be n permutation r, and that is n factorial all over n minus r factorial. So n factorial is 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 factorial. So that becomes 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 minus 3 factorial is 2, and that is 2 factorial. That is 2 times 1. So I can say 2 times 1 cancel 2 times 1. So I'm left with 5 times 4 times 3. So 5 times 4 is 20 multiplied by 3. So over 1. So 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. So there are 60 ways I can form a committee of three members from a group of five committee. So this is the answer to that question. Let's take question number 2. So the second question says A music director wants to arrange 5 singers: Emily, Sarah, Michael, Jessica, and Tom. A music director wants to arrange 5 singers: Emily, Sarah, Michael, Jessica, and Tom, to perform a song in specific order. How many different arrangements are possible if Emily must sing? How many different arrangements are possible if Emily must sing? So you're saying that from this, somebody must sing among the 5. Then it stated that Emily must sing first. So if Emily must sing first, she is not part of what to be arranged again. She must always be number 1. So the solution to this question is, out of 5, there are 4 left. So we'll minus Emily. So that will be 5 minus 1 permutation. How many of them? Just 4. Taking 4 at a time. Taking 4 at a time. So that will be 4 factorial all over 4 minus 4 factorial is 0 factorial. So that is just 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 is 2 multiplied by 1. So we have 12 times 2 to be 24 ways. So there are just 24 ways that the remaining people can be arranged in addition to Emily that must sing first. Example number 3. Example 3. Example number 3 says a group of 5 friends, a group wants to sit around a circular table, around a circular table, around a circular table for dinner, around a circular table for dinner. How many different seating arrangements are possible? How many different seating arrangements? Seating arrangements. Looking at this question, we accept with me that this is circular permutation. This is circular permutation. So let's go into the solution. Remember that if any number of objects, any number of persons to sit around or to arrange in a circular permutation, it must be that one person be fixed while other people are could just have been assumed that they are just revolving around the table. So it must be that one person is stable, is stationed. So to do that, we will take the formula for circular permutation. Let's say CP, circular permutation, equal to n minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial, since our n is 5 here in this question, so we say that is open bracket 5 minus 1 factorial. 5 minus 1 factorial is just 4 factorial, and 4 factorial is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 multiplied by 1 still remains 24 ways. So there are 24 ways to make that arrangement. And this is the answer to this question. I hope you understood everything we did in this video. If you have any question, you can drop it in your comment section below.